Greetings to everybody that is tuned in on our show this evening. This is your Open Live show. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overtons Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page to check out their weekly events and to support them with everything that they're doing. Shout out tomorrow again, her birthday party, the 1st of March at Granaries. Get a ticket, go out and support Mara. Big up himself. Shout out to everybody that is on Instagram, on Facebook, as well as the TGM Radio UK's app where you can listen to us and every other show on the go. Make sure that you want to support the thing, support our show. What if I show over here now? So make sure you support the thing. Seeing what going for you, my G?
Yeah, everything good in about. Before we go into anything, I want to just ask some question. What do you feel in about a relationship, bond for bond relationship? Do you feel like say nowadays it's appropriate or that kind of played out?
Nothing is appropriate about bond.
Bond for bond, like, remember we live in
my opinion.
We live in a day and age where people, everything is out there on the social. We're seeing things we never used to see.
Mm-hmm.
So even if you're sheltered, you're not really sheltered because everything is out there.
Yeah.
The information is prevalent.
My
it's
opinion.
Enough. So
there's nothing good about.
I'm gonna spin a scenario now, right?
Yeah, go on now.
You're in a relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Seeing everything good in a relationship, when they enjoy each other company, the finance is good. We don't have like properties or commitments together. See a child and this and that, we don't have a life together. But when you been in a relationship a bit long, things kind of get boring.
Mm-hmm.
So somebody decides that they want to step outside of the confines of the relationship without, informing the next partner. But at some point, the next partner catch up to what go on,
Right.
There's a confession say, yo, this a go on, blah, blah, blah.
Mm-hmm.
Do you in agreement for like, yo, if that's the thing for kind of, not really say it's an open relationship, it's kind of semi-open.
If it's either open or closed.
Semi-open because like...
What defines semi-open? Let's start there. Define semi-open.
I know like people who don't beat me, especially ladies who don't beat me.
Define semi-open. What is semi-open?
Semi-open, the man can go play, but the woman have to remain loyal.
No,
because
that's controlling.
It's not controlling.
It is.
A man can do a lot of things where a woman can do.
Like what?
And still hold them dignity.
Like what?
Watch here now. I'm use that analogy. A man that can drive well a car is known as a good driver, right? But a car that have a whole heap of owner, it's not a good car. I'm just saying.
One person with upon the live whose opinion I always like.
Yeah.
Miss Ray PGT.
Yeah.
I've heard her speak before. I'm a like her thinking. And this topic, I really, really want her opinion. And anybody else who is interested in sharing their opinion, please give us a call at 07944 72282.
I'm just saying because
may I always have the conversation here.
I'm just saying.
And may I say, you gotta say, the world is not level. And it's one rule for the man and one rule for the woman. My personal opinion, in my relationship, like, if it is a case where you go step out, do your thing, dog. Let's just call it quits. Do you
feel like gender matter? Because like, think about it. In terms of the eyes of the law, it's more biased towards a woman. Because if you're a woman in a relationship and have a kids and house and whatever, the woman can call police and say, oh, I'm abusive, blah, blah, blah.
Mm-hmm.
The police come, them gonna ask the man to leave, right?
Yeah.
So in the eyes of the law, in terms of that, it's more biased towards the woman.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, them say from God was a boy, say the man should be the breadwinner, him should go out and provide for him, woman, and be the protector of the household. Because think, boy, if you're your man go out, and a boy box it down and your man don't try even attempt to fight, you're not going to respect him, you're not going to rate him. Right?
Yes.
But flip the script around. If you are your man go out and somebody beat up your man and you not attempt to fight, him can't back to the car. What you going to say? You're going to say you're a woman. And that's not your job.
Right.
So in terms of certain thing, where I feel like say a man should have, what you call it? I shouldn't even use authority. That's not the right word.
Yeah, because that's controlling.
I should say man should have, what you call it? The leverage to express themselves, because
chatting bullshit, bruv.
A man is a breadwinner and they conceive a man as a provider.
Mm-hmm.
And
a woman can't do the same?
And a protector.
And a woman can't do the
same? Not saying a woman can't do the same.
Okay.
But our society work is just so it work. So I don't know what you want to say because I
I have nothing. I've said what I needed to say.
As what I said to you, say if a woman fuck a wolf man,
Yeah, you're gonna call her.
Them say she's a bitch. Just be straight and plain.
And degraded names, but the man is just
And
doing the
a
same
man will
thing.
fuck a wolf a girl, them say him a girl is. It's what it is.
Okay.
And I'm not saying this to bring down ladies or say anything about ladies, but at the end of the day, woman can only do so much to hold them dignity. While a man can drag through the mud, the dirt and whatever, and he still have the dignity as a man. As long as you don't go over the fishy part there, you're good.
Anyways, right. My opinion is one man to a woman, one man to a woman, one woman to a man. It's
One man to a woman, one man.
One man to a woman, one woman to a man.
And who's really living in?
And I'm saying that is me. That is me. Me personally, I'm a one pot burner person. So I'm an old soul. I'm a one pot burner person.
That's why I say you need to come off of the cold stove.
No man, I'm a good man. Yo. If I'm me one and Jesus, it's me one and Jesus. And I just me that. I'm not into this, man out there game woman bun and woman for stay here.
It's not about bun because
nah.
Hold on there. You see,
but that's the angle that you started with.
Let me clarify this. Like a bun is a full-fledged relationship when you're living a double life.
No, it's not.
That's when you're calling giving bun.
Giving bun is cheating.
If you have a second squeeze out there, I knock every now and then. We have word for it in the 24th century, the sneaky link, the meet and beat.
And I'm saying that lifestyle is not for me.
Remember who have name for the man them, We call him
Dirty Dog.
No,
Drunk Crow.
No, Food Man, Uber. Remember I saw see them in the phone, Money
sir,
Man.
Don't generalize me.
I'm just
Other
saying as woman.
Let me just say other women might.
Ladies, a lie me I tell.
I don't know. Me can't say yes or no, and my style that.
Cause like, at the end of the day, like whatever work for ladies, them work for ladies. As what I say. That's why women have to get creative with how them do them cheating because you know why women have to get creative with it?
Why?
Because really and truly, like say if I get everybody script and everybody papers out and say this is what you do, this is what I do. At the end of the day, most of what the man do, people look upon and like, just man do it.
But if a woman's supposed to do exactly what Una do, hear me out.
Yeah.
Una can't manage it.
Because
don't. There's no because.
Man, we can't manage it.
Una can't manage.
That's why I say we was built different. I'm not go around that. We was built different.
Will ball
woman
and cry and go through depression for the next 5 years for one little bun with the woman go no for the 20 years of bun with Yagishi. Una cannot manage the hurt that you are inflicting on women.
That's why I don't know if I do it. That's why Ricardo thinks that. Me don't know some man do it. I don't know.
Yes.
I want to do it.
Anyways, what I am saying
and the greatest thing with the woman them too, you see a woman them neat with the gi in the bun.
Yeah, uno messy.
Them go give the bun and come in, and everything alright. And remember once upon a time, man, you just say, but I know cause rest of the man would be gone for me, don't know. Cause me feel it different.
Foolishness.
Me like, what are you doing, bruv?
Foolishness.
You can't know.
Yeah.
Unless you have some physical evidence. You see me and member say we are a man, so we not search girl phone.
Anyways.
So
like
once you dig for the earth, you'll find it.
Conversations, it really pissed me off. But anyways, Rape, big up on yourself. All the ladies on the live who agree with me. If we supposed to start doing what Una are doing, Una will curl up in a one fetal position and stay there for the rest of the life.
Let me ask a question. What do you call as giving bun? For a man having sex with a woman, right?
That is one of them.
So what about a man getting ahead? That is giving bun or just a...
It's a sexual relation. It's yes.
Remember getting ahead, it can be like an exchange,
It's still burn. It's still burn.
Let me ask
it's
you now.
still cheating at the end of the day if you're in a relationship.
So if your man go to back road and do business, buy some crutches,
cheating.
Is that giving bun?
Yes.
Paying for sexual service, is that bun?
You're in a relationship.
But that's just seen as a transaction.
You're still having sex with somebody else, right? Which is not your woman, right?
So
yes or no?
Yes,
answer the
yes in a point. So hold on there. So hold on.
This is what I'm saying. Y'all bend and twist things.
Let's start with some sense. So say if a man masturbating, which is having sex with the man. So is that giving bun? May I ask you? Is that giving bun? May I ask you? Wait.
Another gentleman in the studio has said yes.
What if me a masturbate and me a fantasize about one big body girl I see earlier and me
I know
say
your woman.
bucklat.
One
Is
next
that giving bun?
One next man in our studio
Me
say
ask
yes.
you.
The man answer.
Are you me ask?
But me can't answer it.
Me ask if that giving bun. You're a woman. Me have to ask you as a
Yes,
woman.
it's bun. I mean,
Bun is bun. Remember, baby, you're not Easter yet. You know, you have a couple months for wait for pan
no
something.
dare. Anyways, as me say, that's not my style.
PG, big up.
If uno want go to Rogo do anything like that, big up to you. But I'm saying one pot burner, that I mean. I'm very old.
The
Old and yeah.
The one pot burner thing not gonna work because you know
it
why.
It don't work for you,
No.
but it work for me.
Why I say that? As a man, me can't talk this for most of the man them out there.
Yes.
We have to represent because there is whole heap more women in this world than man.
Yeah.
So if me be selfish now, and me decide to buckler, you know, one girl I get the cocky right through.
What wrong with that?
Like, what go happen to you? Say, them they not gonna get no fuck.
That's not your responsibility.
How you ask man? Sometimes I feel like Superman.
And this is the problem.
I feel like I should save the world.
This is a problem sometimes. You see, when the man them have them woman, and them want to be a gallus, their women are 8 out of 10 times neglected, and all of the fun and all of the spiciness that's supposed to be happening in their relationships at home, it's no longer there. So when start say, yeah, do this and yeah, do this with next man, and in truth and in fact, that on the outer road are going on foolishness.
So
I'm
mama,
just saying.
then
I'm
buy
just
some
speaking
hot
from
sauce
experience. Who's going to buy?
If you want spice in your relationship, just the food a bit spicier.
Yeah,
simple.
but and
Make the boy know, you know, put some unnecessary pepper, you know, in a pot.
I'm not
know say,
typical.
yo.
I'm not tunnel vision. This is me as an individual. I'm not tunnel vision. I am a person as an individual. I'm a one pot burner.
So
if you don't want to fuck down the place, that's a phone business, phone responsibility.
So let me ask you
Can't
man a
stop with
question.
them.
Man them seeing? So like when a woman there on the yard and she decides say, oh, me and my friend them a got dance all episode. Alright. Is that a no-go zone for you? Because you don't know what going over dance all episode.
Is that a no-go zone for you? You look like
my
you start
girl man
getting
in friend them a
nervous.
go.
You look like you start getting
My
nervous.
girl man in friend. No, listen.
Jagger nervous.
When you come on to the girl business, take that very seriously. You start getting all this stuff.
So why you get nervous?
Because I an idea. We know what go on. Like
and
a group of girl over there, watch you know.
yeah.
You see this and this man mouth. It's a wicked something, you know.
So you don't trust your girl enough for all our composure.
It's not
to respect you and your
it's
relationship.
not about trust.
Yeah, it is.
Hold on. Have you ever been locked out your house or your car?
No.
And you know, I trust my car, but you call one locksmith and you see your fasting going on, you say,
You saw me tell you say uno bend things for please.
I not bend things, but
Yeah.
sometimes when I call
Nervous,
the
big
locksmith,
shade.
you say, yo, God no.
Nervous.
Eh?
You're nervous. Big shit say you're nervous.
I saw you go.
But this is the thing. It boils down to a woman and a man's relationship and the trust level that you have, the
Yeah.
communication that takes place in that relationship. Like if you don't trust a girl, that's you being insecure.
It's not about trust.
It is
like,
about trust.
something is not about trust because obviously you know why trust not fall in this.
Why?
If your woman go in a certain situation, it's like the odds already stacked against her to lose.
Why?
Eh?
Why?
Why?
Yes.
Because I'm a man and I can't get the word of the code, the man code.
Dog.
Seen? All I know. And because odds stacked against you,
Can a woman on the live please
you're
support
out there with
me?
the girls and she like, yo, enjoy yourself. We are worried about your man for him. They back at England, them there, London. Don't worry. Enjoy yourself, girl.
Yeah, but you don't. And
Well,
not
I know.
everybody go for enjoy themselves. And
One
get
you
them
know see
people
her
born.
lead to 2 and you lead to 3 back there, you know. You feel wavy. Next thing you know, you're like, shit, what did I do last night? Oh, I'm going to tell him.
Anyways.
And you know, and be a things and you know, your friend them a cover for you.
To
But,
each
you know,
his own.
until you and your friend fall out.
I'm not a friend.
Until, you know, when you and your friend fall out, and you only have one big cousin, she say, yes, so you didn't tell him about the boy how you fuck over Spain. And you're like, bumbuckler, what happened there, so?
What kind of friend them woman have?
So, me just tell you how such things go.
No, me no know. I don't
That's
have
how
that.
things go.
I don't have that experience.
You know?
I'm a loner.
So people, if you're not going to dance all episode, go out and get a ticket because tickets are out now.
Oh, it was
over
a
there-
marketing stunt.
Yeah.
Big up you, all star.
So
Like that.
You don't know the thing go.
Thank
People
you,
are-
Chelsea Breaker. Not everyone lacks self-control. as well, not everybody lacks self-control. Some women out there know for all them composure, them know for handle their alcohol, they know when to stop. So don't generalize.
I'm not saying every woman, but I'm saying
I saw no go on, you know. Repeat, una can't call me, una can't give us 079
at the end of the day,
444, but me talk out to number, sir. 72282. If anybody is free, any other ladies that want to live, Chelsea Breaker, Ray PGT, anybody who is free to forward over here and have a conversation, share your perspective. The phone line is open, yeah?
Because I an idea like
so them go on, man.
Like, remember woman fuck more than a man, you know, but just true woman not talk about it, you know. No, a true woman fuck more than a man. Because think boy, if fuck I give away now a man say yo, I'm giving away sex. Sex over here for free. Like, people will walk past and say, what the fuck am I do? But make one woman come out this and say that, see how much would she get?
Wow.
Just, that's why I'm saying. Because if you think, boy, if a girl look good and you look nice and you're clean and you're sexy and blah, 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 you go up on the road, you going to work every day. Much man hit at you and holler at you and go stand very. At least 2 or 3 man just going to work and coming back from work. Remember as a man, you know, when I get that so often, you know, every time I get, every now and then I go, wow. You know, you feel like you look nice, like, bumbleclad. Yo, wow. Yeah.
Wow. Right?
So I'm just saying, so remember it's always available for women. So anything available so much, like, yeah, woman I fuck right through because like, think about it.
And it's available to you as
think
well.
about it.
Una throw it left, right, and center.
In a most girl phone, whether you're married, single, intermediate, or just a fuck about.
It's a Uber and Domino's and
well,
KFC in there.
She have at least three somebody where she a chat to where she can get the body anytime from, you know. It's a flirty conversation I go on. Wait.
Eh?
Because we are galley, so when you're a galley,
so you're one of them.
Me a galley.
Okay.
No, me a galley.
Me just plug up my headphones.
No one
You're one of them.
Because I'm a galley, so I know that.
Yeah,
because
so
obviously
who are you? Are you
see.
Uber or KFC? Which one are you?
I don't know. It depends who you are talking about. You know, I'm McDonald's, you know.
Regardless.
It all depends, you know. Like,
wow. Birds, who are you?
One of these things.
You know who birds be? Tell me who birds be.
Ticket man.
No, man. Security.
Yo.
Big up yourself, bird back.
Me don't know me who, boy, you know. I would like to say I'm the fucker, man.
No, you would be the ticket man, because you're go play. And you can carry them go, sure. We
Me
are talk about no.
Me are the fucker, man, because like, me not really care nobody go nowhere. So when the girl them say dragon, I don't know what time it is.
No, man, you meet them at the gate, say, no, man, she's with me. She's forward,
When the girl them see me, they know what time it is.
Wow, I'm very
like
hot.
you don't know anything. Go like when I'm going to work, I'm going to work. You know what I mean? Yeah.
All right, then,
so
sir.
ladies, I'm just saying like, some of the time, them like una can't hold on on thing because like.
But una can't hold on on.
Remember, you know, like
the double standard, anyways.
Well, I know, like people don't take man mental health serious, and.
No,
remember,
I really need some support on my side. I feel
people don't take man mental health serious, and you know, remember a whole man was to get mad over pussy, you know. But like, me see man did fat and him be a motherfucker on them one time and the man lose weight.
Slim. I say shave down.
Yeah. You think I lie me I tell?
Lift up.
One blood clot. Yo, God. No. Yo, they be a motherfucker on them one time and the man lose weight. Yo, I mean I say, yo, God no. You see this fuck panting and this bone thing.
You said the double standardness around relationships and bun and cheating. Boy, I mean, I know certain conversations. I don't know. I don't know, but because I'm on my own as per usual. Like, I don't know if none of the woman them want to call in and share their opinion. But yeah, so it go sometime.
I don't lie because I an idea like think about it. As a man, have to keep your. What you call it?
Don't say dignity.
Your macho-ness about you. Or you know?
Don't say dignity.
Say your standard as a male. And say, yo, yeah, me the head of the household, right? You can't have your chick outside and go on with a bag of things. Because at the end of the day, you start lose respect from inside the community. People who know you, people who used to respect you are who we associate with. Because like, remember, you know.
Because she outside and fling the pooms.
Remember, you know, no fight time.
Just for clarity, because she outside road fling the pooms all over the place.
Yeah, because no for the time, all man was said that you and my brethren. He probably don't want to fuck it first, but you know. Let me just read this. He probably first fling give her the pussy and second fling. He probably say, no man, I not fuck a girl. But when you say, I recall her, I'll fuck it now. I say, blood clot. She give her the pussy hard and she cock up, you know.
So
if it's a free for all, I'm gonna say, you know, business no matter how close you and the man is now.
But flip the script then, bro. Flip the script. Let's flip the script. You say, your woman out the road a fling the pums all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
That means say from in the household the respect gone and rate.
Yeah.
Flip the script.
All right, flip the script.
Yeah, flip the script. Let's flip the
As
script.
a
I
woman,
want to hear that.
but that's 80% of the time. If he is a look good, nice, clean man, 80% of the time, the woman them friend want fuck your man. I just say go cause woman. Ladies me not violate no, but
so you not feel say she a go look on it.
Woman fuck up, you know.
Man fuck up too?
No, but woman fuck up because
man fuck up too.
Watch out. We have principle. We have principle.
Which BBC bro, I don't want you to stray off. Answer the question. You not think say she a go feel the same way there too?
What kind of way?
That she's being disrespected and like people are gonna pray her. Cause obviously when I go to when a side girl, you know, or the girl will not fuck. What if
nobody really look on it as nobody look on it.
Why? Because of double standard. It's the same
I don't look on it that
thing.
Way. I don't because
Of course you do. You've literally made statements a while ago that supports that.
I do not look at it that way because watch
exactly. No woman out the road don't want her man to embarrass her. And if that said man a go out the road go fuck a bag of girl or 2-3 selected people and you go here there and everywhere with your side girl them and people them know that you have your woman in your yard.
Yeah.
That's embarrassing. Full stop.
No. Like yeah, misinterpret.
It's not a misinterpretation. It's the same scenario.
No, I don't think so.
It's the same scenario, Dragon. The roles are just flipped.
Hold on there. As a woman,
double standard.
Hold on. It's not a double standard. As a woman, have you ever seen a girl where man a fuck a bag of girl and she walk past everybody and laugh?
Yes.
Me never see it yet.
I've seen it in dancehall space.
Me never see it yet.
And I have seen. Remember, I know.
But as soon as a one or two man a fuck somebody girl and them go like him a done, as him I will see him start laugh. Cause we know everybody a fucking girl. It's open season.
Dragon is the same thing. We see it all the time in a dancehall space. In our UK dancehall space, we see it all the time.
No,
hold on.
To be honest,
you not look on
with the woman side, it's really different.
It's not different.
For the woman them side, it's really different
it's not different.
Well, I know, girl go get fucked right through eventually.
And man go get fucked on right through eventually.
I know. But when, cause man don't really hide them thing, you know, because you know we are man, we don't really hide with thing. I know slappy, we don't really hide it.
Slappy with it too.
Cause we are man, you know, we like fuck we hide it for her. We are man, you know. Either they also, you know.
Alright, but
I will swing the cat boat in our house. You see me?
079
with the thing.
2 seconds. 079 444 72282. Anybody who wants to join the conversation, like, give me a call. DJ have say must circle yourself and just take the loose on that one. Take the L.
Take the whistle. Take the whistle loose, Dad.
I'm joking.
As a man.
That's not what he said.
As a man, alright.
Don't let him down.
As a man, me can tell you this. When your woman a fuck by you, it way worse.
And you ball like
than when you a fuck by your woman.
What?
It way worse.
Wait. Repeat that. When
a girl a fuck pan a man,
yes,
it's worse than when a man a fuck pan a woman.
But I said that, right? But tell you say on a scroll on a farm up in a fetal position and going at 20 years.
That's why I'm telling you. It's not the same. It's not the same.
Because you can't manage what your woman is giving you.
It's not can't manage. We build different. We build different.
Exactly. You're proving the point.
No, we build different.
The same bond where you are give your woman, if she give you a quarter it, and this is me repeating myself.
Yeah.
If she's supposed to give you a quarter of that bond where you are give her,
yeah,
you can't manage it. Remember, our pain threshold is extremely high. So we've gone through various situations. Remember, so we got through certain situations for the year.
So why you complain for?
I'm not. Me can't complain.
Man, when I complain, that's on a bill.
Don't generalize me, sir. But me just don't generalize me. What I'm saying is, man cannot manage the bond where woman will give, and that is it. You understand? When you can't manage it. No, why?
Right,
when I manage.
No, careful.
No.
At the end of the day, why I say you have a point, so we can't manage it because
I do have a point.
At the end of the day,
Look at him crying.
at the end of the day, dog,
He's
like,
balling, guys. I'm joking.
look at this now.
I'm joking.
I'm just saying, but some girls still
Wow.
out here act like them a dude. And that's why I can't understand.
That's not for you to understand.
Because how can I be in a relationship with a girl?
Mm-hmm.
And because, you know, me have a one girl a fuck, she say, oh, well, if I bone for bone, you know, I fuck pan back. When I depend on something there. Mama,
Then leave.
if you think both of you the pussy, me gone. If I give you the pussy, me gone already.
Leave.
Me I tell you.
Simple.
Because I an idea, like, it's different. Like, when woman fuck pan a man, that means the feelings are everything involved.
No.
Because woman are not like man, you know.
Nope.
Woman will fuck and have no feelings. You say any woman will do that, you can go sell pussy, you can go back road.
Bro.
Me I tell you.
Anyway, and this is what I'm saying.
But most
women can do the same thing as men. We can fuck an ex-man without feelings.
No,
without
but most woman,
facts,
when them a fuck somebody, them like something. Whether them like the
Them
man
like
like him money or whatever. But as man, I can't talk for most man. More will fuck some girl. The next day you wake up and you're like, what the fuck me do? Why me fuck that?
Miss Rose, are you free? Like, I need a woman to call in and just have a conversation because...
Like, me just say, yo.
Why, brother? Royalty Empress, big up yourself.
Miss Rose, I don't think I'm wrong.
You are wrong.
Well, ladies, when I fuck without no feelings or no likes or nothing, you just fuck the boy because you see the boy, you just fuck the boy. Me just ask you. Woman can't do it.
Okay, cool.
Listen.
All right, cool.
Even the girl I'm a backward fuck for something because them fuck for money.
It's money.
That's
bro,
what I'm saying.
No.
Well, we as man. No. We as man, we just feel horny and we want some puss, so we just want fuck. Want fuck some girl. You see me? That's it. But for woman, they have to like something or want something.
All right.
It have to be some form of exchange.
07944472282. Again, 07944472282. Join the conversation. Share your perspective.
Tag me number up on the screen
Ladies and
because
gentlemen.
I feel like say
Wow.
when I feel like say I fuck with me when I talk.
You are
when I
just a
fuck with me I
fucker.
talk.
You are.
I don't feel like I'm talking fuckery because I'm talking off personal experience. Like,
So what? You ball when your woman gay bun?
me not have that problem there. I don't have that problem.
No.
No, me not have that problem there.
Him a national.
You know, me not have that problem
Not
there.
national nor HD. No, man, him
You see me?
good. Fire, big up yourself, you know. Is your phone ringing? Greetings, caller. Thank you for joining us this evening. Could you introduce yourself for us, please? Hello? Hi, caller. Good evening. Can you hear us? Hello? Hello?
Well, I don't know how to go on with the line there.
Alvin, we don't know what's happening with the phone line. Something is... Greetings, caller. Good evening. Can you hear us? Hello? Hello? Bear with us. We're gonna... Hello?
Me?
Yes, we can hear you. Can you hear us?
Yes, vaguely.
Introduce yourself for us, please.
Hey, it's Miss Rose UK.
Shout out to you, Miss Rose UK. Share your opinion on the topic for us, please.
Say that one more.
Share your opinion on the topic for us, please.
Well, the only thing I'm gonna say, because I feel like Dragon don't understand the concept of women.
Say them again. Yeah.
In a real life,
Mm.
I don't really understand the concept of some women. Not every woman,
Mhm.
but a lot of women would just get the things just to get the things. You get it?
Yeah.
Just to get their things. Same way a man can. Same way some women will. Not all, but some.
Man, them not agree with me. Cause
Huh?
I don't feel like I'm not in agreement with that. Because I know like
So not chip out.
We're chipping in and out. Alvin, if you could just listen to what's happening.
at the end of the day, like most women, they want something because like
They don't know. I disagree.
me got hold up a party, me select a like woman already get a pussy unless them see something with them like or them want something
Not
or
every
impress
woman,
like
bro. Not every
Them-
woman.
I don't feel. You know what it is, yeah. I feel like women are just better with carrying their things than men. I feel like
Men are
they believe
sloppy.
that because women you outright like Monday would.
Not to get too personal in your business, but
Oh, Jesus.
have you ever given the thing without like want to give the thing? You just give it because give it.
Yeah, una really a chip out. We can't hear
He's
chip
asked-
out.
I will repeat.
Wait. Hold on. Can you hear us, Miss Rose?
Yeah.
All right.
Go ahead, also.
Have you ever give the thing because you just want to give the thing, not because no feeling or no attraction or nothing? You just give it because you want to give it.
Scratch the itch. Kind of vibe.
We can't hear
Jesus.
Miss Rose.
Hold
Hold on. Can you hear me, Miss Rose?
Can chat right yes or no. So me I got wallet.
Hello?
Yeah.
Can you hear us?
Una chip out. So I go jump back in at the
All right, we'll drop the
All right,
question
cool.
in
Yeah.
the live. Cool.
Alright, man.
No problem. Big up. Ladies and gentlemen,
When I know I go with
so the question is, Fire is here, Coco Diva is here, 5-star Browning always here to support. Big up yourself, Miss Rose. The question is, have you ever given away the poems to a man just because of wanting to scratch your itch? That's
just
the question.
because you want fuck.
No, you know what money. It has nothing to do with feelings. You just want to have a fun time.
I don't know.
Have you ever been in a situation such as that? Yes or no? Give us your opinion. Is that Braids?
Boy, I want to look no in honor birds. But boy, as what I say, if that's the situation, like
Greetings,
I feel
Colin.
like
Hold the
say,
line first, please.
more than fuck enough for my neighbor them, cause enough of the time I go to the one them can see the thing.
Get to the thing.
So you know all enough for my do, cause them want to scratch the itch. So
Miss Rose said yes.
like, she give her the thing because of the thing.
Yeah, just because.
Miss Rose,
And she take more than big up yourself, Miss Rose. I like honesty.
I like honesty.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, greetings, caller. Introduce yourself first, please.
Hello, this is Leon from South London.
Birds, your backside. Walk one. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear us?
Yeah.
Share your opinion with us, please, Bredzo. Yes, like a one night stand business Fire. Or you just didn't want it and you just
So,
go for
Jalan.
it.
All the question again. I want to be clear for them side now.
The ladies them say when them go out, them not feel like the boy I want money from the boy I want nothing from the boy. Them not even like what the boy look. Them just give the boy some pussy because them want fuck. You believe in that? You believe that are true?
Yeah, man.
Cause man do it.
Eh?
The girl, the girl leave her name, you know.
Eh?
Eh?
Not even know her name or her number. She don't go her yard, do her thing and she cut left it out.
Boy, I don't know. I never lucky some boy.
But you say that.
That are you.
Man and woman are the same, dog.
Huh? No.
Man and woman are the same, yeah?
No, I disagree with it right there.
I mean,
Man and woman ain't the same because I an idea.
Bro.
A woman can't do what a man do. I'm say it before, I'm say it again. They can't.
them can do it, but I only put a notion about can't be a lady. Them
No
can
say
do
they
it.
bumbuckler.
Thank you, Birds.
All right.
Them hide and do it.
Thank
Yeah.
you,
Also,
Birds.
Let me answer a question.
And it's
See?
hot when you find out. Don't Birds, you ball like a baby, don't.
None of tears with that.
Bros, I an idea. Look on it now. Yeah, we have a man.
Wow.
Fuck.
What?
say-
What?
A girl will have a man.
He say, yo, we have a man.
You will have.
Hey,
or,
boy. Listen,
why?
man.
Why, Jagger? Take it why I go
I
on.
don't mean to take one. Bros, have
No,
man.
Yeah, come down now. Come down now.
I don't mean no man.
yellow card.
All right. Our bros have a man. So I don't mean.
Yeah, talking
Me
so
good.
you wife yourself.
All right. Cool. All right. So the ladies then we have a man saying,
Oh, God.
or then we are sleep with a man.
Yeah.
Or a set a man. Because you know like us sometimes a man
Set a
pass
man.
through a whole friend, a whole clique a girl. When a woman do the same thing, what we have that as hot foot,
Our mattress.
mattress.
You know what? Actually, them man they chat too much.
No,
With
you
them
bum
peace and
buckle.
cup.
Them
No,
no,
yeah.
no fold them come
Yeah,
down,
yeah, idiot. You know.
So
You see, last man where the girl always fuck her, the last man I was there with her, you know.
So hold on there. What if it was with a different set of man? Like five. Use the example five.
Well, you don't
man.
know, don't can't hurt.
So what is the difference?
Because you don't know, it's an unknown. Wow.
But it's
But
the
the
same
same
thing.
action, Jordan.
Same thing, you bum buckle.
It's the same thing.
Let me show you my
The same
boss.
10 man she fuck.
It's the same thing.
Hold on, Brett. Say you're fucking a girl now and she say, oh, me have 2 boyfriends before. You don't know her from Adams. You have to go buy.
You know her
what
from
she tell you.
Benito.
Seen?
What she had 2 boyfriends
What-
before you? We are
No,
talking about.
no. If she tell her that you have, because you never know. You never know if she have like so be a cocky and she have be a man before she shows her hot foot, you have to go by what she tell you. But
Yeah,
if you find out say your bumbuckler she's a slapper, then you know your feelings towards her will change. You're like bumbuckler.
So she's only a slapper if she goes to the friend group, but not having five in. I'm
not a friend group. Like if you fuck down the whole place, you have a whole man.
And what do you
a
consider?
society put live up on things. Any idea a woman can do a show and do, a man can do a man do. I like.
And what?
Cause you married a woman now, you Jagan.
Yeah.
You married a woman, Jagan, yeah? You married a woman that first you fuck all 50 man in the community.
Before.
What you gonna do?
Summer boy.
No,
all right.
answer a question. No, answer a question.
So before me answer the question, any woman me a fuck, let me tell you this. You see, anything we are doing in life, you have run a DBS check.
Yeah.
Me have run a DBS check for the woman, me have to get a background check.
You see me talk about the double
You see me?
standard now?
Me have to do that before.
You see me talk about
Because
Yeah,
if
yeah,
anybody,
yeah.
if anybody you consider as your woman or your rare, you have to make sure say yo she not
Yeah, yeah,
embarrassed.
yeah.
her
Flip
rep.
the
Jagan.
friggin' script.
If she a fuck everybody, you can't be my woman.
Flip the script. So it's
Jagan, answer a question, Jagan.
If you a fuck all two man in a community, me no want
brother,
you.
you're shuffling
Two
the
man,
question
too much
still.
of me no fuck you.
Jagan,
Answer the question.
Wait, repeat that question there again.
You did a woman for 10 years there, and a finally married there, and big wedding, things go on, and
Yeah.
then you finally say 50 man of the community, fuck it. You got left her?
Yeah man.
And you're not
Yeah.
only there for 10 years.
Or you bum buckle on me.
That don't go on, but I you know.
So alright. Say if you're not woman, then you find out you have to
Bro,
give it 10 years and find out
honestly.
your sister you left it. I see him question you asking on my boss.
No, it's
No,
not the
that's
same
different
question.
question.
Different your bum
It's
buckle.
different.
That's a different
What?
question.
Them the fuck they care about.
Yeah, but it's
But
different.
ABS can answer my question then.
Bro, anyways.
The fuck them care about. So the best thing me can do I left.
Jagan, stop doing the question, man. Adieu.
But this is
I'm
what
tell you say, yeah, me I left it. Me tell you, yes, I'm leaving.
But at this me I talk about this double standardness, dog. What if a woman was supposed to run a DBS check on the whole heap of the trailer load of girl them with? It's the same fucking thing.
That's why I tell you.
It's
like
the same thing.
No,
It's the same thing.
it judge different. Like
No.
it's two class of judging. Like for one you get merits and points, and for the other it's a deduction.
Oh my
Like well I know.
Miss Rose, I can't
In
manage.
society, no real talk in society, as a man the more girl you fuck,
Yep.
the more merit you get. As a woman, the higher body count is
I lie.
You work,
Enough man
I
fuck
less
me,
you
girl,
work.
man still waste, man.
what?
So, anyways.
Where's the
I
birds?
don't know.
Enough man fuck me, girl, and man still waste, man. So
Yeah, it must
it
still
must be
it must still waste man, but we still have him in a society as girls.
No,
He must have some form of
waste
respect.
man.
Foolishness.
Prime a waste, man, them foot in our account.
Wait a
What am I
minute. So hold on, if a waste man fuck your girl now, you're not counting that fuck there.
The two of them are waste people.
Me ask you, if a
The
waste
two
man
of them
fuck
are
your
waste
girl,
people.
yeah,
Two
that
of them
fuck
are
their
rubbish.
account. Eh?
It counts as rubbish.
Rubbish.
Fire session I wanna done up, man, and I agree.
What do you mean by don't fire? Me
But
tell
the
you
man
this.
The
don't know,
similar-
girl, so-
the
so
similar
you
thing.
get a combination.
Fire,
similar thing.
fire. Hold on, fire.
Hold on, power. It a
Fire.
border.
Fire. Blaze a little
Fire,
bit. See,
burn you.
see my dog in fire a little bit. Watch out now. What do you mean by don't know? Remember you know.
Festive Miss Rose.
Remember now, let me just start this. The more girl and man fuck, the more experience and knowledge you bring to the table. The better is your sex life because him know what woman like, him more experience, him know thing. The more
It
man and
don't
woman,
But
You
but
know,
hold on.
Hold on.
The
Let-
experience that you're
Hold
gaining
on.
outer road, you're not practice that with your woman. You
Hold
come
on,
home, you
hold
come
on,
home with your
boss.
boring dead
Hold on,
self.
hold on,
Jagan,
hold on, boss.
Jagan.
If-
hold on,
oh
hold on,
my
hold on,
days.
hold on.
Jagan.
When me I say hold on at the end of the day, and with that woman, the more man the woman fuck, and the bigger the pussy get, the less is see, you know,
Jagan.
dead in the more.
Jagan,
So
Jagan,
it's a different thing. No, I don't lie.
Jagan.
That's true.
You're contradicting yourself.
No. So the more man
Jagan.
the woman fuck, the woman
Jagan.
is not valid the same as a man. The pum pum gets bigger, it stretch out, it's not
Can
tight.
Jagan.
Somebody rescue me.
Jagan.
Save
Jagan.
me.
Jagan, in the question, Jagan.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, record,
man.
Jagan.
No, man. Somebody
Jagan,
please
remember
come
you
and
saying
save
that,
me.
Jagan.
Yeah.
Jagan, you say, yeah, the more woman you fuck, you experience for your woman, right?
Yeah,
When?
may I bring experience to the table?
Where?
Hold on. Suppose now, yeah,
Oh my God.
Yeah.
woman, I do some things to you, yeah,
Like
when you say you love, yeah, where think she learn it?
Pornhub.
Where think she learn it?
Porn, me say blood clot Pornhub, you deaf?
With your blood clot and your fuck, you.
Where you deaf? A Pornhub.
All right. We spent literally nearly 40 minutes on this topic.
Why you deaf?
Dragon I feeling.
I mean, I feel it's bad because if him get little bun, him can't manage him. I curl up in our feet. I'll say it again. He will crawl up into a fetal position and be in depression for 20 years.
I'm being depressed. All right. I say, girl, I mean, like a style, a pattern and style around here.
Yeah, we're go. I know people are just joining the conversation. Just as we're going to move off topic, we do have our special guest, the royal one in the building. You know, he's here to have a chat about his EP, Different Sides. So stick and say anybody that is on the live, fire say you don't know. Anybody that is on the live, make sure that you share the live over here. Danny Bless says you're not a gal, you must load the conversation. I'm just reading the comments. Don't shoot the messenger. Do not shoot the messenger. I just read it.
The fire done.
Danny Bless, why you never talk for the gal, them a boss? Are you for represent, you know?
Yeah.
Danny Bless.
I think we need to do a part few to this. Brent, when you're forward back in our studio, I think we need to hold this conversation again.
Yeah.
And more, some of the man them were up on the live now. Danny Bless, Slayer. Who else is here? The man them were up on the live wanting to join the conversation.
Because I'm talking it uncut.
Because this perspective is only from All Stars' perspective. Obviously, everybody thinks differently, so we don't want to hear how the next man them think and how them perceive this topic. And the woman them, like, if we free up on the Tuesdays, no, between 9 and 11 is the open air show. We not do so. Yeah. If not work, big up on yourself.
We talk about the fuck pan them because you know it's going hard.
Look like the fuck pan them with Dragon get. Fuck pan them with Dragon get.
No
fuck. Burn him.
No, hold on. No, talk the things them. No for them girl. Hold on.
Let me that.
Hold on.
No
for them girl. Yeah. Them goat. Hold on before you pass the white clock. I'm not surrender. No for them girl. Yeah. Them go to the 15, 16, 17. On Sunday some of them just a goat.
Go out where?
No for Valentine's. Because them couldn't go out on the day.
Why?
Because enough for them time.
Why? Because you're a side girl?
What the blood clot you mean? Is a fuck pan girl. Side girl, a girl with a fuck pan with you know.
Okay. Dragon, everybody have played them role, Dragon. Load the football game, Dragon.
I ask you who hurt my friend. My friend so hurt.
Yo, God no. But I'm just saying, but these are some of the things birds them with them not talk. Because ladies, if you have a fuck pan girl, nothing wrong with that.
Alright for you, because you are fuck it. But you're
no. That's why I'm saying we was built different.
Dragon, everybody have played them role. Load the game.
As soon as the ladies them come to realization with that, say yo, everybody have to play them role like we build different, you know, cause man. We can go around and we can do a bag of thing and we can mind girl right through.
Woman can do it.
Hold on. It's no problem to me.
It's no problem to you as a man?
No, I'm to most man. Hold
on the bread. Make him finish in part. Go ahead.
It's no problem to me. As a man, hold on. Let me show you a thing.
But if a woman go do it.
Hold on, Rasta. A man, we blood clot, work, mind the girl right through, pay a bill. Everything right through.
2024, the girl them do it themselves.
No, hold on. Some woman and every woman. See?
Majority.
Be a breadwinner. Right through. No complain, boy. Soon as the girl start make some money, and the man not go on for the man, be a problem. Be a problem in our life. Oh, you're a bum. You need to go look a job and this. But hold on. Every day your blood clot want sit down and cock up in a car front and sit down in a house, finger near hairstyle up so, and you're not going away. See? But we don't have a problem with it, you know. That's why we say we build different.
I'm very happy I'm not that
Let me get to my point. So, in terms of that, we happy to pay for some things because obviously that come with like a perks. It come with the perks so we can go around and we can enjoy ourselves.
Foolish, bro.
We can enjoy ourselves.
Dragon, you're chatting foolishness. We're going to move on. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to wait. You have anything else to say for the next 30 seconds? Finish it. Finish it 30 seconds at least.
We don't know which one the girl may pass.
Bonnie
but boy, need a new SIM card.
Yeah. I'm sorry, you have no credit left.
Why about that body, you know, all of them are saying.
So
as a gallus, let me tell you this, as a gallus, sometimes I side girl them a fuck by you know, cause side girl them a wicked too.
Are you side girl dog and you mean
yeah, that is a land no Dragon. That is a land no you play the fly too long.